Let's take a look at what's inside the Unicorn game. The game comes in a nice rigid box. With one box you can play with up to 30 players. The different cards in this game are megatrends like climate change or big data, business models of existing unicorn companies like AirBnB or Spotify, and offerings such as funerals or cosmetics. Finally, there are investor persona cards, which illustrate typical investor priorities and characteristics. Before you start playing, go to our website and download all the Unicorn game materials. You will need to print one investor persona recording sheet per player. You can prepare your workshop timing with the agenda file and go through the Game Master slides, which you can present during the game.